Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Wealth Unlimited. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about the 3 best stocks which I am adding in my portfolio right now. Yes, these are the stocks which can give you 20 to 25% return every year from the current levels. So before starting the video, if you are new to this channel, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and do like this video. The first company which I'm going to discuss in this video is from the chemical sector, and the name of the company is Deepak Nitrite. Yes, they are majorly into the business of sodium nitrite and sodium nitrate, and they have been expanding their business and the market share in the acetone sector. Looking at the current market price of Deepak Nitrite, the Deepak Nitrite is currently trading at 2,251 rupees, and the market cap is again not that huge. It is of 30,697 crore. I have been holding this stock from the price level of 500 rupees, and I have been continuously making videos on the Deepak Nitrate's buying and selling levels. Now looking at the peer comparison of this particular company, you will see that the stock PE is of only 30.74 here, and the other companies like SRF, Gujarat Fluorochemicals has been trading at a PE of 35.18 and 39.96. So the company is currently trading at a fair value, I believe, and there are high chances that this company can grow further from the current levels. Looking at the balance sheet, you will see that the company has not produced the September results so far, but they have been increasing their sales since last couple of years, and their operating profit has been rising, their net profit has been rising. There has been decline in the net profit in the June quarter, due to which the stock price fell from the level of 3,000 to 1,800. Looking at the chart of the Deepak Nitrite, you will see that I have already drawn some support levels, and this is when I discussed this particular stock in my previous video. You will see that I marked here the volumes, and I marked that we should enter this particular stock at the level of 2060, 2050. It gave a breakout at the current level, and then it went up, came down, faced resistance at the same point where it is facing resistance at today's level, which is of 2250, and it fell back to the level of roughly 2000, went back up, and it is sideways. Well, this is a proper pattern you can see, but there has been a V-shaped recovery which is likely to threaten a chart pattern of this particular company, but there has been a sideways consolidation going on in this particular stock, which can eventually give a breakout on the upside, due to which the stock can move to the level of 2,500 rupees in short term. Now talking about like what is the other support and what is the price where you should buy or enter in this particular stock, then you can wait for one more day, as tomorrow there will be a result declaration from the Deepak Nitrite side. You can see that how and what are the results on the quarter-on-quarter basis, on the year-on-year basis, and definitely then think about investing in this particular company accordingly. The breakout level for this particular company is of 2,300. If the company is able to break the level of 2,300 and able to sustain, then definitely you can think about entering in this stock. And if it falls back to the level of 2,100, then also you can plan to invest in this particular company. The next company which we are going to discuss in this video is of Tata Power. Yes, I have been bullish on the power sector. I have made multiple videos on the power companies like Tata Power, Adani Power. Further, I have made videos on Adani Transmission as well. And I believe that Tata Power has shown exceptional results this year. And you will see that the current market price for the Tata Power is 225 rupees. The company is going to get benefit a lot from the electric vehicle segment of Tata Motors as well. Apart from this, that there has been a lot of acquisition going on, and they have been winning a lot of orders from the hotel chains, where they have been told to set up a lot of electric charging stations in the hotel premises. So I believe that this particular company has a very good future, and you will see the market cap is quite big in comparison to companies like Deepak Nitrite, and they are less volatile in nature. The market cap is of 71,911 crore, and the stock PE is of 28.3 only. Looking at the competitors for this particular company, you will see that the Tata Power is currently trading at a fairly good value, but you will see that the Adani Power is currently trading at 13.66. I am again also bullish on Adani Power as well, but due to its presence in the stage 4 ASM list. The stock has not been moving a lot in last couple of months, and I believe that in coming days, once it is out of the ASM stage 4 category, then definitely you can see a uprise in Adani Power, and it is also going to touch the level of 500 in coming days. Similarly, on the basis of result and what I am seeing on the balance sheet, I am a lot more bullish on Tata Power as well. The results are not updated. Oh, the results are updated here as well. You can see that the company has increased their sales substantially in last couple of years, and there has been a little bit dip in this particular quarter, but there has been increase in their operating profit from the level of 1683 to 1760, which is a very good sign. Apart from this, the net profit has been increased from the level of 884 crore to 935, and on the year-on-year basis there has been a massive jump also. So I believe that this particular result can definitely impact the price of this particular stock, and eventually they can go up. Talking about the chart of the Tata Power, you will see that the company is continuously taking support at a level of 210 rupees. If you find this particular stock at a level of 210 rupees, then definitely you can invest in this particular company. The current market price is not that bad, and I believe that we can see a turnaround in the chart pattern, and we can see a up move coming in this particular script if we break the level of roughly around 230 and we sustain above the level of 230. Then the first target is going to be 250. Eventually we will move up to the level of 300 in coming months. Now the last company which I want to discuss is Reliance Industries. Yes, the company has not given lot of return in last couple of years. The company is stuck in the zone of 2000 to 2600, or you can say 2200 to 2800. There has been lot of ups and downs, and I must tell you that this is the time when you should invest in company like Reliance Industries. It's one of the biggest company in the country, and they have been expanding their businesses rapidly, and I believe that though their numbers were a little weak for this quarter, the numbers have been priced in this particular script, and you can definitely think about investing in the stock. The current market price is of 2526. I have already discussed about this particular company in my previous videos also. The market cap is humongous. It is of 17,09,034 crore rupees, and the current market price is 2,526 with a stock PE of 26.6. The company has a diverse business. They are into retail, petroleum, they have telecom sector as well, and the geo business is doing exceptionally well. And I believe that with the 5G coming in line, there are chances that there will be a more growth seen in the Reliance Industries results. Now you will see that it is majorly compared to the companies of petroleum companies, and this is not a fair comparison, and you can definitely think about investing in this particular company. Looking at the sales, now here are the results as well. There has been an increase in sales from quarter-on-quarter basis as well as on year-on-year basis. Their operating profit has been declined, which is a little bit concern, but I believe that in coming years and in coming months, as the Reliance commentary was very strong, the way they are moving ahead with their future plans, this particular company is definitely going to bounce back from the current level. You will see that there has been a decline in the profit as well, which is not alarming as of now, but if these kind of things happen for multiple quarters or more than 3 quarters, then definitely the stock can take a hit on its price. Looking at the shareholding pattern, you will see that the company's promoters has been holding their stake, and there has been a little bit dip in the FIS, and there has been increase in DIS buying in this particular stock. Talking from the chart point of view, you will see that the Reliance Industries, I have drawn this particular level previously as well. The company is taking support at the level of 2400 multiple times, or you can say that the company is taking a good support at the level of 2300 where you can plan to invest. The company is currently trading near the resistance of 2550, and if it is able to sustain the level of 2550 for 1 or 2 days, then definitely you can plan to invest in this particular company. If not, then definitely you can see a little downtrend in this company, and you can find this particular stock at a level of 24.50. There has been a chance that there is a golden crossover going to happen in coming days if the stock price continuously go up. So definitely it will be a great opportunity to invest in the Reliance industry. So these were the 3 stocks which I wanted to discuss in my today's video. I hope you liked it, and do your own due diligence before investing in these particular companies. So please make sure to hit the like button and do share it with your friends also. Thank you.